topic is what? Affirmative to negative. We have to avoid the certain rules to convert any affirmative sentence into negative. There are total 9 rules. Okay. Affirmative sentence can be any type. Assertive, 4 types of sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. All 4 sentences can be both negative or positive. Okay. But here, what we'll do, we'll convert the positive into negative and negative into positive. So the rule number 1. By using antonyms and negative terms. By using antonyms and negative terms. As I told you to make 2 language copies, okay now? One is for my 3 classes. That should not get mixed up. Written? First one by being what? By using antonyms and negative terms. So like here I am writing, she is tall. Affirmative or negative? Affirmative sentence. To make it negative, what I will do? I will use a negative term and I will use the antonym of main word. Which one is the main word here? Tall. So I am writing here tall. So shall I write? She is short. She is not short. Okay? She is not short. So not is the negative term here. Second one, here I am writing same sentence. She is very tall. She is very tall. Not the same sentence. Is it? So shall I write? She is not short. Is it correct?
She is not very tall.
So I will write C. It will be same. Is. It will be tall or be short. So I have to use proper negative term for very. That is good. What is the opposite? This copy is good. What is the opposite of that one? This copy is not at all bad. Not at all bad. So perfect policy is not at all short. That means anyway you cannot call her short. Third shall I give of sentence? She is almost tall. What is the meaning of almost tall? Somehow she is tall, not very tall. Answer? Already spoken. I already told you the answer. She is not very tall. Not very tall. She is almost tall or almost somehow tall. So she is not very what? Tall. Here I am not using any antonym. Or you can write short also, that's not it. Now shall I go further? Now I have to make list of negative terms. Here I have used the negative term not and the antonym for almost, that is very. Okay. So what are the negative terms? No, is it? Then not Obviously not at all. Then never. Not withstanding. I'll tell you later in Merchant of Venice there is the use of this very term, notwithstanding. Okay. This term is used in Merchant of Venice in Act 3 Scene 4. Same thing. Notwithstanding. Next. More are there. Nobody, is it? No one, none. Can I use all this? Nothing. Nowhere. Okay. Anything else? No? No way you can write. Next. Many more of them. Some 57. Okay. When it will come in our mind, we'll write more. Okay. All at a sudden, we cannot write all. So when further in mind, we'll write more. Okay. So this is the first point. This way you can convert any affirmative sentence into negative. Okay. Now rule number 2. Hopefully the writing is clearly visible. Using so dot 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 speedo. Okay na? So that instead of TW2 TO2, can you see this? Instead of TW2 and TO2. One sentence I am writing. She is too short to touch the branch. Affirmative or negative this one? There is no negative term, affirmative. So how can I do this one? What I do, I'll just shift this 2 and this TO2. Keep it in mind when you use when you use TW2 and 2, this is also simple sentence. Not only this is affirmative, this is also simple sentence. Now when I convert, it will be like this. He is so short that he cannot touch the writing is going little tilted. Hopefully no problem. No, you should find it easier to write tilted. Okay, you can write more in this. So second one, first one is affirmative as well as simple sentence. Keep it in mind. Second one I am using that here. Last year I told you when you use it, any kind of subordinating conjunction, the sentence is going to be complex. Is it? So second one is negative as well as complex. Shall I give one to you? Write down. The box is too heavy. The box is too heavy to carry. And instead of is, write down the box was. The box was too heavy to carry. Written. Done? Tell them. Who will answer? Raise your hand. How many of you have done that one? This side? Okay, you answer. Could not carry. Here.
The box was not so right to carry.
Tell.
The box was so heavy that it could not be carried.
The box was so heavy that it could not be carried. Now look, instead of is I am using was now. So it is past tense. So can we remain can or could? Simple method. Okay. Shall I go to rule number 3? Right now replacing only within quote, replacing only with what? Within quote none or no one. Only my uncle knows the trick. Only my uncle knows the trick. Affirmative sentence. Is it? No negative term, na? Is there any negative term? No, not at all. Anything is there? Nothing is there. In fact, it is a very plain affirmative sentence. Now, if I have to convert it to negative, I have to replace this term. Okay. So I can write none. Okay. If I write none, I have to use but. But if I write no one, except. So none or no one. If I write none, then what it should be? But. If I write no one, then it should be except what my uncle knows the truth. Okay? So you can see here, I am using none here, I am using but here. If I use no one here, it should be except. Can you keep this one in mind? So how many rules are done? 3. Shall I write the next one? Next. Rule number 4. As soon as with what? With no sooner. Okay? As soon as we replace with no. Now write down the sentence. This one is the rule is there. This rule you have to follow in class in the very common question. Okay? It was now directly in ICC question will not come like this. That convert this one into negative. How it will come? Listen carefully. The question will be given only by uncle knows the trick. In bracket will be given. Begin with none. Got it? That means what? You are asked to convert that one into negative. Just like this one, it is written that he is too short to touch the branch. Now you will be asked that use convert this one into complex sentence. Or you may be asked like this, that use so that instead of to. This way question comes. Clear? Or first one it is written that she is very tall. Rewrite it, making it negative sentence. So question comes in this way. It is written one sentence will say, as soon as the teacher, it should be as soon as did the teacher, okay? As soon as did the teacher enter or entered? Enter the class, then DHAN, then the students clap. Okay. That was the bhakti of the teacher. So as soon as did the teacher enter the class, then keep it in mind THAN. Don't write THEN. Then don't write that. Then. Okay. Then is used for comparison. Then is used for time. Okay. So as soon as did the teacher, have you written? Because I have to write the answer. Can you see all that? See here, this place? Difficulty seeing this one. Shall I write the answer? Now when you start with no sooner, you write no sooner. What should I write? Did or had? Had. No sooner had the teacher. Who will enter? Teacher entered. E-N-T-E-R. Entered the class. Then what happened? Then THN. Then the students written. Have you all written this one? Answer? Have you erase this part? Okay. Because our limitation is up to this. This part shall I erase? All are written now? So here we go. Look at the rule. Rules of as soon as I'm writing like this. As soon as, okay? And here I'm writing no sooner. Here. After that I am writing what? D. And here I am writing. Then one subject should be there. Just like I am writing the boy. Okay? Here also on writing the ball. After that, now writing kick the ball. Okay now. So I'll write which form of verb? Here I am writing the V1 form, and here I am writing. Here will be kick, and here it will be kicked. Okay. Then both the cases I have to use what? Then. Here also. Then. Is it? How is this clear? Then the remaining part of the sentence. Okay. Then everyone clap. That side also everyone clap. Okay. So the last part will remain same for both the cases. Got it? In case of hardly, few more are there. It will come as hardly, H-A-R-D-L-Y. Hardly, after that what should I use? Hardly, then have. After that the subject, the boy. After that what should we use? V1, V2 or V3? After had what should you use? V3. Okay? We hardly have the boy V3. After that you have to use, instead of than, here we will be using what? So as soon as this, no sooner had, hardly what? Had. Okay? Now almost same, all these three cases, little different. Then we use here V1, here V3, here also. And when, after when, what should we do? It will be the same sentence. Okay? When we write in sentence, it will become easy. The last one is TSP. TSP will be followed by what? Same. Will be followed by have. After that, what should we use? The boy same. Then what should we use? Big enough. After that, one change only. It will be before. Is it? We will not write one. We will not write that. We will be writing when. Then it will be same. Got it? I'll give now 4 sentences. First you write down as soon as soon as beat Rahul. Is there any Rahul in the past? As soon as beat Rahul, open, what it should be? V1, open the door, then electricity went off. Electricity went off. Second one, what it should be? No sooner did or had? No sooner had Rahul. It should be V3, that means opened the door. Then electricity went off. So write down that one. Just follow the rule, it will be very easy. No sooner had Rahul opened the door, then electricity careful of the spelling than. THAN. ICC question prompts as soon as it will be given, then in bracket it will be given. Begin using no sooner. Okay? Or begin using hardly. Or begin using scarcely. This two will be very easy. Hardly. Pick up all together. Hardly had Rahul open or open? Open the door when? Pick up. When electricity went off. Actually, for electricity, it should not say that electricity is off. So either electricity is on off or went off, or it was the power cut. Okay, na? Electric is not a very wrong type of sentence to use. Electricity went off. This one, I think this one is very easy, you can write. Only what you have to do, sometimes had to be replaced with did, sometimes that to be replaced with when and before. This one is fixed, scarcely had who? Had Rahul. Then had Rahul opened the door before the electricity went off. Very good.